And how many centers are involved?
24 centers.
And what was the time of examination?
2 to 5. In that particular time, from 2 to 3, there was a power cut. Director का statement भी even they reply in their reply also, जो first इनका reply आया था, उसमें the observer जो है, उन्होंने खुद उसमें admit किया, पेज नंबर 30 31 of reply, the first reply इनका आया, कि there was no power backup facility was there, and the visibility was also low. Physical verification होता तो examination center जहाँ पे power नहीं था, वो कैसे सर इन्होंने select कर लिया? एक्चुअल सिनेरियो ये था सर कि बारिश आ रही थी, जो खिड़की चालू थी, खिड़की भी बंद करनी पड़ी क्योंकि ओएमआर शीट गिली हो रही, और जब बाहर इतना डार्कनेस था, भी वीडियोस देखेंगे तो आपको अंडरस्टैंड दी सिनेरियो ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे, इतना तेज बारिश और आंधी तूफान था कि वहां पे खिड़की भी चालू नहीं कर पा रहे, तो कैसे नेचुरल लाइट इनकी अवेलेबल हो सकती है? आई हैव फाइल्ड सर्टेन वीडियोस एक्चुअली फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट, वीडियो ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट, क्योंकि एग्जाम हुआ था 4 तारीख को, डिफरेंट सेंटर्स के पिटिशंस के कुछ वीडियोस थे, just to see the impact, actually क्या impact हुआ था examination पर. I have filed this CCTV that pen drive also. I have supplied the copy also. I have on my tab. The copy.
Lord, I would request, my lord, let the matter start. Your lordships may hear, my lord, we also have examined several things. Lord, CCTV etc. may not really assist the court. My lord,
CCTV is the main evidence actually, because that exam was conducted in the examination hall. And they have a provision there, they have mentioned in the instructions that they will conduct a CCTV.
So that is okay. The CCTV
that is mentioned in the instructions also.
The CCTV which you are showing is on that particular date only.
On that particular date.
Of examination here.
No, that was taken outside actually. And that was between because at
outside the examination center.
Can I have 2 minutes, Lord? Can I have 2 minutes before that?
Yes.
Because this is happening, my lord, every time. He starts with something totally new thing. Not total.
No, he has said that he has already furnished you to the copy of the CCTV footage.
I'm not on, my lord, I'm not on CCTV. I'm slightly on a different point. In the entire country, total 22.9 lakh students appeared. So far as, my lord, your lordships are concerned, my lords are concerned with not Indore. Indore has 49 examination centers. Correct, my lord? 49 examination centers out of total 5,466. Nationwide, it is 5,466 centers. Indore has 49 centers. Out of 49 centers, only 18 centers there was light disturbance means there was no electricity. The total number of candidates in Indore are 27,264 candidates. I hope, Lord, I'm able to make myself clear. Out of which, my lord, 75 are before your lordship. We do not know, my lord, which center, my lord, this CCTV belongs. We do not know, my lord, what is the position, whether it is belonging to any particular center or somewhere or whatever. Lord, what we did was, taking it not as an adversarial litigation, Lord, we constituted a committee of 3 neutral experts. And I would wish to show to your lordships, my lord, the result which they have got. That out of, my lord, one interesting fact your lordships would notice, my lord, that 11 candidates from these affected centers have scored more than 600 marks, Lord, which is top 100. Lord, the total people, Lord, students who have scored nationally more than 600 are 1,300, out of which 11 are from affected students. Number one. Number two, the average of entire Indore, where there was, including schools where there was no electricity or there was electricity, out of 109, out of total 170 questions, the average is 119 to 127 questions attempted. That average has remained constant. So we will give those figures to look at some CCTV from somewhere and arrive at a conclusion would not be, would be a little hazardous. That's what I'm saying. So let him argue on the facts first, on affidavits. We will also place the facts and affidavit to show that what can be the contours on within which my lord the court would like to intervene, and thereafter, my lord, of course, it's for your lordships to see the CCTV. But to start with some random CCTV and say that
No, it is not like that. Mr. He has his own anxieties,
no. Therefore, my lord, I am not taking it in an
and I am also not deciding it only on the basis of the CCTV footage.
No, I understand, my lord, but I am not, my lord, taking this as an adversarial matter. But let there be some structured assistance to your lordships.
Yes, of course.
What are the facts?
Yes.
What are the number of centers, total centers, affected centers?
Yes, yes.
Centers, what is the my lord, findings of the committee, etc. My lord.
Yes.
That's my, my lord, request.
Sir, my submission is clear. Examination was conducted in Indore for 49 centers. 49 centers, they have mentioned in their reply that there were 24 affected centers. इसमें the statement I have given of the collector का जो statement था, he has also admitted. ये कहना है कि हमने power supply के लिए we have issued the specific guidelines और इसमें physical verification होकर उसकी report भी submit करने के लिए उन्होंने instructions दिए थे. और collector का जो statement है on that particular day, he is telling that there was no instruction for power arrangement. Further we will manage the arrangement. We will ask for the fund also. ये पूरा स्टेटमेंट में आया हूँ.
No, your how many petitions are here right
Sir,
now?
my मतलब it's more than 100 actually. 92 I have filed, and there are other petitions.
And how many centers are involved?
24 centers. अब कुछ centers में जो बच्चों ने कंप्लेंट किया है, पर जो affected centers में उनकी रिपोर्ट में आया that is 24.
24 centers.
24 affected centers.
It was 24 written earlier,
From Ujjain.
but only
There are
early
6
one.
petitions from Ujjain.
Total
There are 6
18
petitioners
are
from
affected.
Ujjain. There are 6 petitioners from Ujjain.
6 petitions from Ujjain. Ujjain also.
Yeah, they are from 2 centers.
Almost 24 centers from Indore and 2 from Ujjain.
हाँ, 2 from Ujjain. सर इसमें मेरा ही कहना है सर, इन्होंने जो रिप्लाई फाइल किया है,
Yes.
काइंडली सी दी R13 पॉइंट नंबर 1.
First of all, in support of your contention that there was some power disruption, what document have you filed?
I have submitted the information received through RTI.
What is that?
RTI we have submitted with the IA. That is data entry. We have submitted the denial also, and we have submitted the RTI also.
Where is your this information obtained from the department?
They have also admitted, sir. They have also admitted. Power cut, they have also admitted. So there is no dispute
Where is
regarding
that?
that power.
You have filed it or not?
No, I filed, sir. I filed.
What was the time of examination?
2 to 5.
During that time only this disruption occurred.
On that particular time, from 2 to 3, there was a power cut.
ठीक है. और क्या कहना है आपका?
So, इसमें they have submitted the reply. I have submitted the denial also. I have submitted the rejoinder also. Kindly see the point number. Examination के लिए सर मेरा ये कहना है कि they have charged 1700 from each candidate. For general category, for EWS they have charged 1600, and for other categories they have charged some certain amount. When you are charging the equal amount, they have to provide. You have to provide uniform facilities and uniform facilities to all the students. But they are failed actually. They are telling कि हमने power arrangement का we have issued the direction in writing also. But collector का statement भी even their reply in their reply also the जो first इनका reply आया था उसमें the observer जो है उन्होंने खुद उसमें admit किया पेज नंबर 30-31 of reply जो first reply इनका आया कि there was no power backup facility was there and the visibility was also low. I have requested the visibility report from the environment department also, but it's taking time. The visibility on that particular day was 4. Actually, the general visibility will be it's measured in meters actually. तो 6 मीटर जनरली होता है, बट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर इट वाज 4 और जो एग्जामिनेशन का 4 से 5 का समय था उसमें तो 3 और 1 तक आ गया. तो इनका जो कहना है कि
ये आपका ऐसा कहना है. But is there anything on record to show that this was the visibility?
विजिबिलिटी तो सर इनके ऑब्जर्वर ने खुद इसमें
एडमिट किया.
हाँ एडमिट किया. और इनका कहना था पेज नंबर 15 ऑफ रिप्लाई कि कमिटी वाज डायरेक्टेड टू कंडक्ट फिजिकल ऑडिट of all centers and report to be uploaded on the given link. फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन होता तो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर जहाँ पे पावर नहीं था वो कैसे सर इन्होंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया. इनके डायरेक्शन थे कि देयर शुड बी मतलब अनइंटरप्टेड पावर वाज द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी और उसके लिए पावर कट नहीं होना चाहिए, उसके लिए फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन करना था, ये रिपोर्ट सबमिट करना था. इनके जितने सेंटर्स पे पावर बैकअप नहीं था वहां पे इन्होंने अपनी रिपोर्ट में ये मेंशन किया है कि देयर वाज प्रॉपर वेंटिलेशन, देयर वाज प्रॉपर नेचुरल लाइट. एक्चुअल सिनेरियो ये था सर कि बारिश आ रही थी, जो खिड़की चालू थी, खिड़की भी बंद करनी पड़ी क्योंकि ओएमआर शीट गिली हो रही। और जब बाहर इतना डार्कनेस था, अभी वीडियोस देखेंगे तो आपको अंडरस्टैंड दी सिनेरियो ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे, इतना तेज बारिश और आंधी तूफान था कि वहां पे खिड़की भी चालू नहीं कर पा रहे। तो कैसे नेचुरल लाइट इनकी अवेलेबल हो सकती है ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे?
कौन सा
फिर
सेंटर?
हमने सीसीटीवी फुटेज की डिमांड करी कि आप सीसीटीवी फुटेज आपने रिकॉर्ड किया, मैंने वो डॉक्यूमेंट भी पेश किया है कि हमने स्टूडेंट्स को बोला था कि कोई भी जो है आप यू विल बी अंडर सर्विलेंस, तो आपका सीसीटीवी फुटेज, आपका जो है रिकॉर्डिंग आपका वहां का हुआ है, तो आप सेंटर्स का रिकॉर्डिंग कर दे तो बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएगा सिचुएशन। उस पर उन्होंने आज तक कोई रिप्लाई नहीं है।
तो रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ से होता है?
रिकॉर्डिंग का प्रोविजन है सर, उन्होंने मेंशन किया उसमें, इनके इंस्ट्रक्शन एडमिट कार्ड है उसमें उन्होंने मेंशन किया।
मतलब ईच फ्लैट वुड हैव सीसीटीवी कैमरा?
हाँ,